This is slime we made, and we put shamrock in it. You can see, and
Not enough glitter.
yeah.
Not enough glitter?
Well, I don't know,
I
but
think it's in
we
there.
got a lot.
Emma, do you like the way it feels?
No.
Do you like touching it?
How about me?
Sean, how about you?
Good.
Ugh. Look at that. Wow.
I like to eat my slime.
Well, we're not going to eat it. We're just going to play with it. And the more you play with it, the better it gets.
So
It'll get more stretchy.
So it'll get stretchy more.
Yes.
Can we whip it?
Whoa, look at Emma's.
Ooh.
Whoa. Emma is the one-handed slimer.
I slime on my hand.
Oh my gosh, wait a minute. Sean, what are you doing?
One of them, the other hand in slime.
Oh, I got my finger over the thing again. I do that all the time.
Simple slime.
Sean, does this get a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Okay.
Thumbs up.
Is on?
Yeah, what are you doing?
Well, I'm making a slime print.
Ooh.
You squeeze your hand in there and you take it out, and there's my slime print.
Ooh.
And I can also make
Wait. Oh, I was going to look at it. Can
My
you do it
slime
again?
print?
Yeah.
There's my slime print.
Nice. Oh, it's going back. Whoa, what are you doing?
Stuck. My hand is made of slime, you see?
Oh
I
my
can
gosh.
spin my slime around.
Do you like it better now, Emma?
Yeah.
I'm so glad.
Hey, look at this.
My hand is made.
Mm.
My hand is made of slime, you see? My hand.
I actually like it now.
Look
at
John, you be careful standing there.
Grandma, look, it's going to poke through
It's
the hole.
supposed to be
Hmm?
but then someone broke. They pulled it out.
Whoa. Sean's got a big string happening. Whoa, look at Emma's. She's got her. Whoa, it kind of broke through. You got to keep working with it. It'll get stretchier as you work with it.
But it was connected with it.
Wow.